Hey, you're watching Thai Farm Guy, and today we are harvesting beans. So, the beans are dry. We're taking it to the co-op. 3 combines going, and it's going pretty good. We're doing it.
Throw it in the grain tank.
If you guys don't know what bean combines are, so you can see the combine right now. Then you can see the plants. Those are beans. There's like little pods, and it's called soybeans, but I call it beans for its short name.
All I got is short rows and we're done.
You can see now he's kind of full.
Got the little 7720 and the 295.
Then there's a load. Dad and me are right there. So you can build this, you can rake it, so yeah, you can do anything with soybeans or corn, whatever you want to do. So we got 20 feet ahead, see it, so right now you can see. So right now he just stunk. So now it's I don't know how much acres this is, but I can tell you this, it's a lot. We got 9,500s going. Most of you guys don't have 9,500s, but some people do. They're good combines. What are you talking about? 9,500s aren't.
There's Grandpa.
You can see that we're about done on the pass now. For like every field, we're done. We only got one more field to do. Happy, but we're not gonna do that field too long. Not that long, but it's been a long time. People are still harvesting, but now there we go. So, make sure to subscribe, push the like button, and go and.